Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is AHMAD bin Abdul. My matric number is 23 DLS 18F 2004-9. Today, I will present about my final industrial training at Shipco Transport Sendian Berhad. Okay, here you can see 5 topics to be covered. First, background of company. Second, company history. Third, technical report. Fourth is conclusion, and the last one is comment and suggestion. First topic is about background of Shipco Transport. I will explain to you about Shipco Transport background. Shipco Transport Sendian Berhad, Port Klang are located at BPT 1 Tower at Bukit Tinggi, Klang. Shipco Transport Sendian Berhad offering service such as less container load (LCL), full container load (FCL), and air freight. Also, bonder truck service in import and export service. Okay, now I will share to you about Shipco history. In 1988, in New York, USA, Shipco Transport was established, a subsidiary of Scan Group in Copenhagen. The first Shipco Transport office was opened its door in September 1988 in New York City, and was originally started to receive FCL cargo out of Asia. And on 1995, Shipco Transport Port Klang was established on April 7, 1995 to further service the growing customer base in Malaysia and to establish presence in the main deep sea port in Port Klang. Shipco Transport was keep growing until today. On 2021 latest office, Christchurch, New Zealand. The second office in New Zealand opened on July 1st, 2021, building a continued focus on the Oceania region. As you can see here, the blue pins in the maps is all Shipco Ocean office in the world. For the next topics is technical report, sales and business development tasks. The first thing is quotation. Quotation is a daily task need to complete. Quotation is a first step requested by customer for their shipment. To do a quotation, we need a cargo detail, cargo volume from the customer to calculate the ocean freight and the other charges for the customer. For the next is marketing flyer. The marketing flyer should be launched 3 times a week. The information required to make this flyer is obtained from the selling schedule. An email will be sent to Mega marketing team to create flyer that will be used to promotion proposed to the customer. When all the information is complete, such as carrier name, transit time, launch date, CFS, ETA closing date, ETD, and etc., Mega will reply to the email with a sample of the flyer will be made, and the flyer will be reviewed and evaluated by the manager, Salisin. Once the flyer is approved, an email will be sent to Mega to launch the flyer on a set day each week. For the third task is export volume analysis report. This report contains 3 types of file, namely freehand account, global account, and mid-size account. These 3 file types have different client companies, and this is a report contain a record of amount of cargo exported by Shipco. This report will be analyzed by the management in order to plan the direction of the company together with the customer to continue their export business with Shipco Transport. The next is rolling tariff. For the Port Klang branch, the rate will be referenced through the WWA website and will be updated in the report. All the port of destination will be included in the report along with ocean freight, peak season surcharge, GRI, and IMO 2020. The next point is the mailing list. Mailing list need to updated by a weekly for all departments in Shipco Transport Port Klang. The mailing list function is for a promotional purpose. When all the mailing lists are collected and combined, the file will be sent to the marketing team, namely Bridge. Bridge will update the master mailing list and resend it for a review purpose. After the mailing list starts, we go through the accurate report. Accurate report need to be updated when a new A to Z rate available. Accurate report will be reviewed and analyzed by manager before sent to the PRC team. The next is pickup and answering calls. We need to call customer for advice any update for recent inquiry to secure the shipment. After communicating with the customer, all the conversation must be proven via email so that there is no misunderstanding of something. Calling customer is a daily task that needs to be done by the business development coordinator. Its function to be ensure that customers are satisfied with the service provided by Shipco, and also make a relationship between customer and the company will be better. If a customer has a question that is less clear, they will call the department directly to be given a clear explanation and instruction of their question. After pickup and answering calls, reply and following email is a daily task. As a business development coordinator, we need to make sure we provide a best service to a customer. On a daily basis, customer will send an email to ask Shipco to make a quotation for them. The goods to be sent must be checked first through the agent or destination office gateway. After the goods requested by the customer are received by the destination and acceptable for the export, then a quotation will be made for the customer. Except for the dangerous good, some country of port, they cannot accept a dangerous good, so we need to make sure the destination must accept the goods before we proceed quotation. The last task is send a to Z rate and selling schedule to WWA customer. What is WWA customer? WWA customer is selected customer to us. Shipco are more focusing on this customer. A to Z rate and selling schedule need to send on the first and second half of every month when the letters and schedule are available. Okay, after all tasks have been reviewed, the last one is the conclusion. Internship with Shipco Transport Sdn was a great opportunity for me to get more experience in logistics industry. It is human nature to face challenge in a life when going through the age of work. Whenever we will face the challenge, it is up to us how we are to face those challenges. In the internship, I was learned how to understand the freight forwarders operate their business in the export and import industry. At the same time, what we learn in Polytechnic, to some extent, we can understand in more deep when in this industry. The first is for firm. The company should increase the team building program with the staff in order to strengthen the relationship with staff and employers. Therefore, with the program organized, can have a positive impact of the mental and physical of all the company staff. The second point is the company must give assessment on a schedule and orderly manner to the students will not feel stressed, thus leading to the occurrence of the mistake in the performing the assigned tasks. And now is for the Polytechnic. The Polytechnic should expose students to the more on the industry in deep and practical, so that when students undergo the industry training, they indirectly do the tasks even better than faster, because the experience gained while on campus can be reused when in industry. To the Polytechnic, They should be responsible for explaining to the firm the objective of the industrial training. The Polytechnic should provide a guideline for the implementation of the industrial training to the firm. Furthermore, the Polytechnic should also take steps to disclose the firm that will provide training to the Polytechnic student. That's all from me, AHMAD bin ABDUL, for the final presentation industrial training at Shipco Transport Sdn Bhd. Thanks for watching.